Top headlines for the day. Salman is all over the place apparently. With his upcoming Bajrangi Bhaijaan and Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, the latest that the Khan has got involved with is his home production. Don't all of you remember we had told you about Salman's home production Hero, which will be undergoing a remake? Well, the film is due to be released soon with Suraj Pancholi, Zarina Wahab and Aditya Pancholi's son. The Khan is looking into every way of making the movie a hit. So is Suraj gonna go the Arjun way? Don't you recollect that Arjun too was once upon a time a Salman protege? Good to see the dabangness in Salman to help these youngsters, for we do need a touch of Salman for a long time to come, hai na? Suraj is quite lucky to have Salman on his head, as the filmy janta could be assured of good work, good movies and good action from the young lad. All of us know Salman's fad for eating into the fans' lives. Recently he was doing something which is not like him but surely amusing. Apparently Salman, who was shooting in and around the area, went to Ahmedabad Stadium to be with the Celebrity Cricket League players. Arey wah! Yes, and do you know he actually was a great booster to the two teams Mumbai Heroes and Chennai Rhinos? Everyone was all over the Khan and posed for photos and selfies with him. Their chant was, "Bhai has come, selfie to banta hai na?" Media too did not leave this golden chance to grab the best moments of the Dabangg Khan. Truly a mark of his own, Salman knows how to weave his way into the hearts of his adulating fans, hai na? With shooting for his upcoming Bajrangi Bhaijaan almost getting over, Salman sure has made his presence felt well and sun-dry to all. Bigg Boss 8 transcended into Halla Bol recently. It is already in the news for Salman Khan not being the host of the show at all. Now, latest reports have it that the show has already found its winner. Rumors are rife about Gautam Gulati winning the show finally, and it is yet to be seen, however, if all this is true. Don't we know how media spices up things and makes things worse for the fans? There are a lot of contenders in the last few. We have Sambhavna, Ali Preetham, Karishma, Gautam and Dimpy who are in the last dozen jo bach gaye. The news of the winner is already out and there is a strong support for Gautam apparently. So is this true? Is he the real winner? Is this all Halla Bol was all about? Well, to know more, we just gotta watch the show. What say? Bollywood heartthrob Shahid Kapoor is riding high with Haider success. He has been bagging all those big awards and is set to roll 2015 with films like Udta Punjab with ex-girlfriend Kareena Kapoor Khan and Shandar opposite Alia Bhatt. Now that we know he's a busy man, it's given that the actor will be spotted every now and then. But when seen with a mystery woman, it's bound to raise eyebrows, Hera. So who is she? Well, the lady seen with Sasha is an architect and Shahid's gym buddy Harleen Kaur. While the Haider actor walked with eyes down the floor, the architect seemed to be quite comfortable posing for shutterbugs. Not too happy to see flashing lights, Shahid? Wait, we're just trying to raise curiosity levels. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Guess it's the season for Punjabi singers to make Mumbai their base. Punjabi superstar Diljit Dosanjh, who got the world to go balle balle to ditties like Dance With Me and Patiala Peg, is likely to make his Bollywood debut soon with Abhishek Chaube's Udta Punjab. And the latest we hear is that it is Fawad, but Diljit, who will be sharing screen space with Kareena Kapoor Khan in the film. Now, since Ayush Khurrana reportedly turned down the offer, the Punjabi singer-cum-actress who's currently shooting in UK for a Punjabi movie is expected to fill in for Ayushmann. And if reports are to be believed, the director Abhishek and his team will be commencing shooting soon, as they are still scouting for locations and finalizing character looks. His Happy New Year film was the third biggest blockbuster of 2014. But Bollywood's richest dude Shah Rukh Khan doesn't want to be nominated in any of the award ceremonies for his performance in that movie. Why? Well, King of Romance, whose charisma was enough to lure audience to watch the nonsensical Farah Khan's directorial, feels that his performance in Happy New Year wasn't up to the mark. Yikes. It's seen that many of the stars, due to biasness by channels, have lost faith in award functions. Even Ajay Devgan boycotted award ceremonies as one of the organizers promised to honor him with an award. Clearly, the quality of the performances is being neglected, and in such situation, it's hard to determine who the real winner is. What do you think? Is this the reason why Shah Rukh confessed Happy New Year doesn't deserve nomination?